So here's some routine exercise for your uterus and ovary health. First, like this, hold, use these 4 fingers, massage all the way from here to here with a little bit of force, do 36 times, and then do other side too. So second, rubbing your hands, and then put here, do 100 times. So find the highest point, and then here's here. So this whole area, find something to scrape like this. Do 36 times, and both sides too. So next point, outside of your feet, this is the highest point. So below, little bit below and front. So acupress there in a circular motion, do 36 times, and both sides too. So do everything twice a day. Thank you. Hi, do you have thyroid issues? Here share some simple tips for your thyroid health. So first, your thumb put under the chin, and then massage 36 times in a circular motion. So clockwise or anti-clockwise, either one is okay. Then use your 4 fingers, gently massage this area. Do 36 times and do other side too. And then use your thumb, put between the collarbone, this point. So acupress in a circular motion, either direction is fine, 36 times. So last movement, use your fingers, squeeze your armpit, 36 times, and then do other side too. Hi, do you have thyroid issues? Here show you some exercise for your thyroid health. So first, use your 4 fingers, gently massage this area, 1, 2, 3, do 36 times, and then use this hand, gently massage this side, 1, 2, 3, do 36 times. So second, turn your head first to the left, do it very slowly, and then turn to the right. Turn as much as you can. So this count as 1, do 10 times. So last movement, tilt your head to the back as much as you can, and then slowly turn to left, and then turn to right, do 10 times. Do this whole set twice a day.